Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate website management with WordPress, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate website management with WordPress, start by choosing a reliable hosting provider. Sign up for a WordPress hosting plan that suits your needs. Once your hosting is set up, install WordPress on your domain. Access your WordPress dashboard by logging in with your admin credentials. Next, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the Plugins section in the left-hand menu. Search for automation plugins such as WP-CLI, Jetpack, or Manage WP. Install and activate your chosen plugins. After activation, configure each plugin according to your preferences. Set up automated backups using your chosen plugin. This ensures that your site's data is securely stored regularly. Next, automate updates for your themes and plugins. Go to the Updates section in your dashboard. Enable automatic updates for both plugins and themes. For content automation, consider using a plugin like Revive Old Posts. This plugin shares your older posts on social media automatically. Schedule your posts to publish at optimal times using the built-in WordPress scheduler. Go to the Posts section. Create new content and set a future date for publication. To manage site performance, install a caching plugin. This can help speed up your website and improve user experience. Enable features such as page caching and browser caching within the plugin. Monitor your website's performance using Google Analytics. Install the Monster Insights plugin for easier integration. Set it up to automatically track your site's analytics. To enhance security, install a security plugin like WordFence. Configure it to set up automatic scans and firewalls. Regularly review your website's performance and security reports. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.